Hi, Arlene.
Hi, it's my third day in India.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning, I have matches and I know how to make fire for shooting. That's why it's out.
You'll be fired.
Can you do it, Dada?
No. Later there, Mama will put fire there. No?
Just try for a little time. See, I'll do.
Careful, eh?
Also, when I was playing with my friend which is talking Hindi, I was doing that one and it scared me. Do it then. One now.
Gitu, Mama will make.
Just
Here, she have it in hand.
here.
Hello, guys.
Hooray.
Good morning. Welcome to the vlog.
Good morning. Welcome to the vlog.
It's 7:30 in the morning, and we are putting fire. Good morning. Oh, look, oh, mango fall down, no? Plenty of mangoes. Plenty of mangoes. See there? There. Hi.
There is mango.
Yeah, where?
Look there.
Yeah, I showed them already. Look, guys, this is our house
You want
backyard.
to see this one?
Yeah, plenty of plants. Look at our jasmine plants. This one we need to, rebuild again because no one was using.
Yo.
Coconuts.
Where?
They're up.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of mangoes and coconuts. Yeah. Oh guys, look at that.
What is that?
Yeah, look at that brown one.
What you call that one?
I don't know. Which one?
That one?
Aswete.
Aswete.
Yeah, aswete.
When you open that one, there is small seeds like this, and it's mixed color. You can see the one is open. Oh, you can see the sun also. I don't know if you can see or no. Oh, fire started. You're not tired of that song?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, fire. Oh, careful, it's hot. Don't go near. No snake.
What you scared? What Mama scared? Dada, what Mama scared of?
Snake.
I'm not scared of snake.
Oh.
This one?
Look, guys, this is called jasmine flowers.
That one, this season is very nice.
Yeah.
Because what you call this? The price is very high, no?
The plants are still not grown fully. When it's grown, it looks very nice.
Hi guys, up here.
So we need to replant this one.
Yes.
Dada, you're closing this one.
Don't touch it. It's torn. See the flowers? There are plenty of
Guys,
flowers.
look. Look. I want to show you. This one is gonna close. Let's see, guys.
Shy plant.
Shy plant. You know what we call that in Kannada?
What?
Nachige mullu.
Nachi mugulu.
Nachige mullu. Mullu.
Nachi mulu.
Nachige means shy. Mullu means torn.
I like to play with this.
This one all need to fix.
Open it with our hands.
Look, guys. Just now I clean all this plant. That one, this one. This one is already dead, need to change. This one all looks good now. Just need to put some fertilizers. Tomorrow, this. Ooh, too much grass. Tired. Look at the grass. This much grass I removed just now from 4 plants. Ooh.
Centipede, guys. Oh my god. Look at that.
Hello guys, tea time.
Tea time, guys. Gawa ko ng tea.
Masala chai.
Breakfast. Tea with noodles. Our breakfast. Maggie. Maggie.
Chef, special chef from international chef.
Which international?
Filipino.
So Dada will make Maggie, then bread. So he need to boil first, and then after that he will make toast bread. So ayan, boiled na yung aming tea. Then going to breakfast. When finish it, the Maggie, then ready to eat.
What?
Enough. After rolling will complain. Maggie! That is all, guys. Ayan na siya ng tea.
Good morning.
But good morning. What you're eating? Noodles and tea. Where is your tea? It's a yummy noodles. Dada cook that one.
No, Mama.
No, Dada cook.
No, Mama cook.
Mama and Dada.
Only tea.
Okay, we're going to eat the guys. Let's eat our breakfast noodles, tea, and bread.
Slowly.
Do you like this?
Yes.
It's not hot.
Become cold.
Tasty.
It's like it's not cold.
Noodles.
Be a Mama.
Bale noodles tingka.
So yummy.
What kind of food is this?
Noodles.
Yummy. Hello guys, come for lunch. We have fish fry. What fish that one? Mackerel, bangla, and tarle.
Guys, I want to,
Rice,
guys.
vegetables,
Hi
and
guys.
some pickle. Yes,
Guys,
Orly.
look at this cute.
That is Orly.
So we eat breakfast, and then after that we do everything.
We do all the things. Lot of work. After.
Then we pack all the things to go back to Dubai.
May!
I'm just kidding.
You miss Dubai?
No.
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 In Dubai good, India good. India good or Dubai good?
Because it has stairs, it has the 4-room.
Hi guys! Again, we are here after lunch. Then we prepare going to
Shirva again.
no, not sure, Lupi. Punta kami ng bayan guys, ng city. Mag-check kami ng TV.
We are gonna go to Udupi to buy a new TV, but we cannot carry it in the house. How can we?
You just check if it's okay, the TV.
But guys, you remember that we took off.
Because Orlin is always on the phone. That's why we need TV. Always, every time is on the mobile. So we need TV. So only TV is watching. No need mobile. Alright? Yes or no? Is Dada?
But easily when you go somewhere, if I'm alone, then I can watch anything what I want in the phone or something.
No phone. We're going to start now after 1 month your school. So no more mobile, okay? You need to focus the study. Okay? Understood?
Is this my school?
Understood.
Yeah, is this my school?
It's not your school.
That's Gina's.
No.
Oh.
Gina is on Udupi.
Mine?
Mine is in Sherva.
No,
Not mine.
Me.
Yours is in Sherva. So ayan guys. So Orlin mo. Hindi ko na alam kung ano sasabihin.
Guys, you remember this picture that Mama got? We're gonna buy a rabbit and the bird. And a bird and a rabbit.
Hindi niya talaga makalimutan yung rabbit na yun. And ang ganda guys, the rabbit, dalawang rabbit, 1,000 how much ba? 1,700 or 800?
Only rabbit 900.
Only
Two rabbits.
2 rabbit,
With
900.
the cage, 1,900.
With the cage. So mahal yung kanyang cage.
Two birds 650 with cage. It depends on which cage you buy.
Oo, ang mahal
Big one
mo.
is 1,000.
Maliliit na bird, parang ano. Which kind of bird that one?
Lovebirds.
Lovebirds. Ang ganito. Yeah. So, si Olin gusto niya rabbit. Ayaw niya ng ano. Olin doesn't want to buy the birds. Only she want rabbit. Why you like rabbit?
Because rabbit I always see in TV.
That's why. If we have this rabbit, you need to feed the carrots, right?
I love feeding carrots. I will you take care of the bird. I will take care of the rabbit. Like same like that bird's flying. Maybe someone loves it.
Nandito na kami guys sa ano, highway. Yeah, this is the highway guys. Going to Udupi to
This way Udupi.
yeah.
This way Udupi if you go back side Mangalore.
Mangalore, I mean.
Mangalore. This road you go straight, you can go to Goa, you can go to Bombay.
Ah, okay, this way, ah.
Going to north.
If going back is
If you go that side, going more south, like Mangalore, you go to Kerala. Like
Ah, okay, okay. Going to Kerala. That's area.
they are going to Kerala.
They're going to Mangalore. Until Mangalore only. If you
Until-
cross Mangalore, there is border for Kerala, go to Kerala.
Yeah, before no, we
Yeah,
used
go there, no?
Oh, wow. This is the same as near to Chilla's house.
They are in Udupi. This is Udupi.
Entrance of Udupi.
Yeah.
Going to Udupi city.
Because you see that this is Udupi entrance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going in?
Yeah, of course. This is the hospital of Udupi.
Yeah. But where is the ambulance?
It's ambulance already. This
Huh?
one what? Ah, okay.
What
This is what we go
What's
in
this?
this shop. Electronic appliance, mobile laptop. We are here, guys. We see the TV.
Yay!
Which one, Olin? Huh? Which TV you want? Huh? May Panasonic, LG. Eh, dito na kami guys sa ano, sa loob. Well, it's a big then. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Ganda nito.
This is 50 inch, this is 55.
50?
55 inch.
55. So, what is,
This is 50 inches.
what you think it's Sony? Ah, okay. Dami mga ano guys, so. Mga, okay, don't go there. May LG, may Panasonic, may Sony. Oh, tingnan mo ito yung 45 at 50, 42,000. Ang ano naman, ang 55 is 63,000. Mahal lang dito guys sa India yung ano,
See, I can catch this
Yung-
when I throw up. Guys, look.
yung electronics. Ah.
16 GB?
Sony guys, ito naman ang Sony. Where? Where?
In the car, when I was holding this thing, it was going
Show me. Show me.
that is like this.
Oh no. Show me.
Yeah.
It's a prank. What happened that one?
I will show you.
What's that? Oh my goodness. It's hurting. Show me. Oh, this is for rashes. Olin got. This one also. Oh my goodness, Olin.
Orlin India Port. You have the.
So, ayan guys. Tapos na kaming ikot doon sa sa appliances. Punta na naman kami sa isang appliances store. Kasi
Now we are gonna get
nag-ano
ice.
tayo.
Now we're gonna get ice.
Yes.
Now we're
Ice
gonna
cream
get-
later. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo
Now
makamura.
we're gonna get
Diba
ice
guys?
cream.
So ayan, bababa na tayo. Dito
Now
na
we're gonna
tayo.
get ice cream.
Dito na tayo sa Harsha.
Mama.
Nandito na kami sa loob, guys. Ulit. Hello.
Guys, I'm eating bread.
Nagtitingin-tingin si Dada. Siya na ang kumausap. Then guys, tapos na din kaming magtingin dun sa isang shop. So, yeah, not bad. So, pagpipilian pa guys kung saan yung maganda.
What about that?
Which one? Okay, no problem.
Electronics and furniture. You want to see furniture?
It's up to you. Where you want me to?
We'll check there and we'll check there also up.
Okay.
Mama, ice cream.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna get ice cream for you also, Orlin, okay? Just wait for a while.
Tingin kami guys kung saan yung maganda na na appliances. So ayan, puntahan naman natin yung isang pang shop. So ano gusto niya kumain ng ice cream? It's an ice cream. Ice cream. That is ng mga TV doon.
I'm gonna get a poop ice cream.
Maganda.
Guys, I'm gonna get a poop ice cream.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng mga TV.
Sounds nice, but it's very big, no?
It's not the
Guys, this is weird. It's weird.
Uh-huh.
Why you like this? Look, guys, what is that?
You.
Huh?
You.
So ayan guys, tapos na kami. At pauwi na.
Ice cream.
So mag-ice cream kami. Dahil super init dito boys. Ay, si Dada.
We have ice cream now.
Guys, we have a ice cream. Dada have ice cream or I have ice cream.
I got vanilla.
I got coffee. Ang Dada too.
Coffee.
I'll try that one.
Medicine for the heart.
No.
Sarap guys. There's almond.
Hey, what you doing? Why are you laid out in the floor? You're sweating.
Let's go outside and go for prayer.
Okay. You got tired? You walked too much today, huh? Eh? How much you walk?
I walk like until 30 minutes.
More than
Huh?
30 minutes.
More than 30 minutes, like 100. 100 walk.
Ella, say bye bye to all of them. Say bye bye to all of them.
Why?
Because I'm gonna close the vlog. We'll see them again tomorrow again.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. It's gonna be raining tomorrow.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. It's night.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.
Good night.
See you in our next vlog.
We'll see you our next time.
Next vlog.
I mean next.
Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye guys.
Bye. See you in our
See
next
you in our
vlog.
next vlog. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless.
Yeah, bye
God
bye.
bless. Subscribe to our channel. Wait for more videos. Don't forget to like and share. Okay?
Like and
Bye.
subscribe and share.